It has been a good while since I picked up the camera. It's been like at least 3 weeks, and yeah, it feels good. It feels good to be back. Excited to start doing a little bit more stuff, this time to the truck. I've never really touched much and done much to a truck before, besides your typical like wheels and tires type deal. But check these out. These are the orange, for some reason they look more orange on camera, they're really not that orange, front tow hooks that are going to replace these right up front. So this is kind of what it looks like, stock, and then that's more of a color match right there, as you can see, between the two orange and the lights. I think it's going to look really, really good and match up. At first I really wanted to get some red ones. Yeah, I think these orange ones are actually going to match a lot better. Looks like it's a pretty simple swap here. It's going to be 2 bolts right underneath here. From what I've seen, it is using a 15, so I'm going to just try to get underneath like this and get it out. We'll see. All right, here's number 2. Check it out, guys. Now we have a side-by-side comparison. Let me bring some more light in here. A side-by-side comparison of the tow hook. It is a little bit bigger, so I think it's going to look and stand out a lot nicer. I don't know what to do about this guy, whether to take it off or leave it in there. So it's like a kind of like a bushing thing. So we'll see what we can do. So the bushing does not fit it. Just took it out, and I'm just gonna run it without it. I think it's, even without it, it's gonna look freaking awesome. So let's go ahead and get that on there. Hopefully there's enough light here. You can definitely tell a difference here, and I think it looks freaking awesome. It wasn't really too difficult to do. Like I said, you couldn't really fit the plastic like cover for it. So once you take that out, then all it is you got 2 bolts, these 2 bolts right underneath right there, 2 15 millimeters. Tighten those up pretty well, and definitely add some blue or red Loctite on them, just to help make sure that those don't come out, if that helps. It's a little bit finicky because there's essentially like a long nut behind there, so you have to align. Once you align this side, you got to make sure to align the other one underneath, just by like sticking your fingers like in here and just kind of moving it around. That's the way I did it. Maybe there's a different way of doing it, but yeah, I think it looks awesome. I'm excited to show you once the other side is done. For reference, guys, those that do not have a tremor and just have an XLT and have like this little guy here that comes down once you reach a certain speed to help with like miles per gallon. I do have the back skid plate, can't really see it, but there's no front skid plate, so there's nothing else you got to remove. The way I'm doing it, I'm just sticking a nice long socket head to that bolt right up top, and you just remove it. And the one up front, you just do it from the front. So super easy to do, to be honest. I'm glad that I don't have to be taking off all the skid plates and stuff. Just wanted to show you guys how I did it to hopefully help one of you out as well. Here's the final look, guys. This is kind of what it looks like at night, so I will show you guys in the morning what that looks like. But I think it looks so good. I think it really just makes it stand. It gives that front a big pop, and that's kind of what I was looking for. Super happy with it. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the truck with the tow hooks in there. It looks absolutely phenomenal. I think it makes it look aggressive, adds a little touch of something to the front there. It really does match the amber turn signals really well. So I think this would be an awesome add-on. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See you.